Imagine you're a producer of the next blockbuster movie. Managing a large project like this with data scattered across different formats, such as movie titles, dates, budget numbers, makes it hard to draw clear conclusions or perform meaningful analysis. Understanding the different types of data in Excel is crucial to making sense of this information. Let's dive into how Excel's data types, combined with the power of Copilot, can help you organize and optimize your data for better analysis and insights. Welcome to our video on introducing data types in Excel. Data types are the foundation of effective data management and analysis. Today, we'll explore the various data types Excel supports and discuss their basic uses, including how they can enhance the meaning of data. We'll also explore how to use Copilot to manage data and make it more meaningful. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the different data types supported in Excel, demonstrate the basic uses of each data type. Understanding data types is crucial for harnessing the full power of Excel. There are many different types, but in this lesson, we'll cover the 4 key data types. To understand the different data types, let's look at the spreadsheet containing information about some of our favorite blockbuster movies. First up, we have text data. The columns movie title, country, director, and genre all contain text. Text data can comprise words or sequences of characters. The characters can be individual letters, symbols, or strings that are treated as text. Excel functions allow manipulation of data formatted as text for data analysis and to aid the interpretation of the numbers in our dataset. Note all the column names themselves are all of the data type text. This is how the data in the rows below is organized, and the names give meaning and context to this data. Next, let's talk about the numbers data type. Numbers in Excel can represent any value, from large figures to small fractions, and even qualitative data. To make sure Excel handles your numeric data correctly, it's important to define these values using the appropriate symbols and formats. Now, returning to our data set, let's identify the columns that contain numeric data types. You'll notice that columns like rank, rating, revenue, and runtime are all formatted as numbers. It's essential to remember that mathematical calculations can only be applied to data formatted as numbers and not text. The third and one of the most complex data types to work with is dates. Dates can be represented by numbers and interpreted as numeric in Excel, but they're in a category all of their own. In Excel, dates can help us analyze trends over time, schedule project milestones, or manage deadlines. Whether it's the release date of Titanic or the production timeline for Avatar, dates keep us on track. Then we have Boolean data, which is a type of data that has only 2 possible outcomes, such as true or false. It's used in Excel and other applications to represent binary choices or conditions, such as yes or no, or on or off. In Excel, Boolean data can be used for decision-making processes, such as determining if a movie exceeded a certain box office threshold or if it won an award. It's all about binary choices. Let's take the Avatar movie as an example. If the producers had set a target for the movie to generate $3 billion of revenue, we can check if it indeed hit or exceeded this target. The total revenue generated is $2.7 billion, and we will compare this to the target of $3 billion. The result is as expected, a false. The opposite can also be tested. Now let's attempt to do the same comparison, but let's adjust the target revenue from $2.5 billion, and in this instance, the answer is true. In this video, we explored the importance of understanding and using different data types in Excel to manage and analyze complex data sets effectively. We covered the 4 key data types, text, numbers, dates, and Boolean, and demonstrated how each type can be leveraged to make sense of scattered data like movie titles, budgets, and performance metrics. By properly organizing your data and using Copilot, you can unlock powerful insights that drive better decision-making. Now that you've seen how crucial data types are for effective analysis, it's time to apply these concepts to your own projects. Try using Excel's data types in Copilot to organize and optimize your datasets.